Let's see if we can interest him in this.
Excuse me, sir, can I bother you for a moment? No? Are you sure?
So basically he told me to F off. And look, things don't always go the way you planned. It's Christmas time. Oh, that's just my truck braking. Don't worry about that. Look, I get it. It's 2022 and everybody is sick of seeing influencers flexing all the free stuff they get from brands. So today, we're gonna flip the script. I've loaded up my truck with over $5,000 worth of Dewalt tools, and we're gonna find some nice, normal, hardworking folks that we can give this to. So the premise of today's video is basically that we're just gonna drive around and we're gonna go to different building centers. Oops, I kind of dropped that. And we're gonna try and find some people getting materials for their projects, and then we're gonna match the tool with the project. I mean, that's the ideal scenario. Whether or not it actually works out like that remains to be seen. And I might even go on Instagram, say my location, and if anybody who follows me wants to come meet up with me and get some free stuff, we can do that too. Should be a pretty fun day of driving around and spreading a little bit of holiday joy. And I don't even think I mentioned that yet, but this is my holiday special. Last year I did a holiday special. This year I wanted to go a little bit bigger, so I think it's gonna be fun. Let's roll. So last year for my Christmas special, I made a light up LED sign for my buddy Mark. And if you guys don't know Mark, he's a content creator just like I am. And I was thinking I'd like to do something like that again for this Christmas special. But then I got to thinking, most of my friends who are content creators can get all the free stuff they want from brands by just asking and saying they'll do an Instagram post or something like that. So it got me thinking, I would like to do something for the nice, normal people who go to work hard every day, and don't necessarily get all this free stuff because they're not in a position where they're public facing. So I reached out to some of my contacts at Dewalt and I pitched them on this idea that I had. I said, basically, I would like to give away a bunch of your tools for free to normal, hardworking folks. And to my surprise, they were actually all about it. They actually talked me up in the amount of tools that they gave me. So huge shout out to Dewalt on that front. But like so many things in life, there's a catch. There's always a catch. No, I'm kidding. This one actually wasn't so bad. All they wanted me to tell you was that all of the tools that I'm going to be giving away today are currently on promo at most major retailers. They're calling this the Power the Possibilities with Dewalt promo. So if you see something you like that I'm giving away today, chances are it's on sale right now, and it might make for a very good last minute holiday gift for that pro in your life, or maybe just for yourself. And you guys at home are gonna wanna stay tuned to the end of the video, because if we don't end up giving away all these tools in the back of the truck, I might just do a little giveaway at the end of this video and send some tools out to you guys at home. And they'll be the good ones too, so you'll wanna stick around to the end. All right, so here we are at the building center, and now the reality of the situation is setting in with me, and we actually have to go out there and find some real people to give these tools to. And I haven't really thought about what my approach is gonna be. Like, I have to get consent from people. I have to kind of introduce them to the concept of just giving them free tools. So it's gonna be a little bit awkward, and I'm a deep introvert, so this part is kind of stressing me out a little bit, but it's gonna be fun too. Let's go find some people. Things got off to a fast start because as soon as we hopped out of the truck, I spotted this guy pushing a big cart of lumber. We got a bunch of wood here. You're working on a project?
Yeah.
I'm doing a YouTube video right now.
Okay.
And I have a bunch of tools to give away to people for Christmas.
Oh.
You building a fence, maybe?
Exactly. Fence and retaining wall at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give you a free tool and you can be on your way.
Why not?
Okay. What do you think would be handy for this? For, you know, impact driver, skill saw?
Yeah, miter saw, skill saw, impact driver, all that kind of stuff.
Okay. So I'm thinking of building a fence. What would you prefer? I got this circular saw, 6.5 inch, or the impact driver drill combo.
I literally just bought that one.
You just bought this one?
Like maybe a year ago.
Okay. So screw this. So what do you think? Cordless circular saw?
That'd be amazing. Thanks.
Okay, this is for you, and I hope I hope it helps you, and I hope you have an awesome time building your fence.
Is that all you guys want for footage too?
That's it. That's
amazing. All right, Merry Christmas to you guys.
Yes,
Thanks
Merry Christmas to you too.
All right, see you guys.
All right,
Thanks
dude.
a lot.
Have a great day. Number one, went pretty good. Speaking as an introvert here, that really wasn't so bad. That was actually kind of fun. Let's see if we can do it again. I have a YouTube channel, and I'm out here giving away some free tools to help people out with their projects. So I was wondering if there's something that I could give you to help you with this project you're working on.
I don't know, what do you have?
My truck is right here, and I got it all loaded up with stuff I'm giving away. So you're installing some flooring and a little bit of trim?
Yep.
I could give you, I have this impact driver drill set.
Yeah.
Would this appeal to you, or I'm...
Yeah, why not?
You'll take this?
Yeah,
all right,
yeah,
okay,
why not?
all right, there you go.
I use these all the time.
Okay, fantastic. You get some batteries in there, you got a case for it?
Everything is there.
Enjoy.
Great.
Well, Merry
My
Christmas.
lucky day, eh?
Yeah,
Thank
your
you
lucky
very
day.
much.
All right.
Thank you,
Have
guys.
yourself a great day.
Yes, you too.
Unfortunately, after those 2 early wins, things started to get a little slow at the local building center. So it actually turned out to be a little bit harder than I expected to give away all these free tools. So I put out an Instagram story letting people know where I am, and if they want to come out, they can come meet me and get some free stuff. So we'll see if anybody turns up from that. I said I'd be here for the next 2 hours, and we'll see who comes. Ooh, camera's beeping. About 20 minutes after I put out that call, we had Dean show up, and Dean had a pretty good pitch for me.
My brother-in-law just messaged me, so
Yeah.
he's a teacher at Westview High School at
Okay.
J&M Finch.
Oh,
And he
okay.
actually runs the shop class.
Oh.
So a bunch of their tools are not working well.
Okay.
So he's like, and he's at his son's hockey game. He's like, can you go by and grab me some stuff?
So let me get this straight. This is going to a kids shop class?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna go big for this because this is for the kids. So this is the most expensive tool that I have here, which is the Dewalt cordless miter saw. I don't even have one of these myself. I've been wanting to keep this
Mine's
really
powered
badly.
too. I got one as well.
Yeah.
On the dolly, but it's not like that.
I think if it's for the kids, it's a really nice miter saw. I think they're really gonna enjoy it. I don't know how much use they're gonna get out of the cordless aspect of it, but honestly, it's such a nice saw. I think it'd be good for them.
Yeah, no, I think that'd be awesome, man. Nice of DeWalt to donate it.
Very nice at the wall. They've been super supportive of my channel. So I said, you know what? It's Christmas time. Oh, that's just my truck braking a little bit. Don't worry about that.
So what do I take home? Anything?
Yeah,
for showing up?
I got some lights. I got a job site radio. I got a jigsaw.
The jigsaw.
You want to do jigsaw?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
That would be awesome, man.
That one's for you. That one's for the kids.
Awesome.
All right.
Everybody goes home happy.
Exactly.
Thanks,
Merry
buddy.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you're very welcome.
Awesome.
All right, Dean, it was a real
Thanks.
pleasure. I hope you have a great day.
Thanks.
I was definitely very pumped that miter saw was going to help educate and inspire the next generation of builders. Shortly after that, we had another one of my Instagram followers show up. This is Ishmael, and he was a really good sport about appearing on camera. You cool appearing on camera?
Sure, yeah, I guess.
Can you tell me what you're working on? Like, give me...
Well, I'll be honest, I mean, I like to think I'm a DIYer.
Okay.
But because I am restricted in a condo, there's not much to do.
Okay,
So I do kind of live like vicariously through you guys. But yeah, I mean, it's always a dream of like,
Well, is there anything you would like to do in the future? I'm trying to match the tool with the project.
I mean, obviously, if I were to move out to a house, like the whole man cave, that type of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, at the moment, nothing really.
Okay, you know what I might do then? Since Ishmael didn't have a specific project in mind, I figured that I'd help him start to build his tool collection instead. Impact driver is like the cornerstone of any good toolkit. So this one's the DCF 887. This is probably my favorite impact driver. You can use it for screwing stuff in. You can use it for drilling if you need to.
Nice, yeah, no, definitely, yeah.
All right, there you go, man.
Perfect.
That one's yours. And you know what? I also have this like high-powered LED flashlight. And it doesn't come with a battery, so I wanted to make sure that I paired it with a tool that came with a battery. So I'm gonna give you that too. You never know, that might be good for doing some repairs and stuff around the condo.
No, definitely.
You're under the sink, you're working, it might be helpful.
Definitely, man, thank you. That
All
means
right,
a lot,
yeah,
great.
you're very welcome. Enjoy the tools, and
right.
Merry Christmas, Happy
right,
Holidays,
you too,
all
man.
that fun stuff.
All right, take care.
All right, dude, see you later. After that, it was back to finding some shoppers. Can I bother you guys for a minute? Yeah. So, I'm out here, I'm shooting a YouTube video. And we're giving away free tools because it's the holiday season. I see you guys have some stuff here. You're working on a project at home.
Yeah,
Can I ask what you're doing?
we're building a bench for a kitchen.
A bench for your kitchen. Okay, so you're building a bench for your kitchen. I have a circular saw here. So this is DeWalt's circular saw. It comes with, I think, 2 batteries, a charger. Oh no, maybe just 1 battery charger. This is a left-hand cut saw, which I really appreciate as a right-hand person. So yeah,
You're just giving it?
That's it. That's it. Literally, yeah. Dewalt gave me all this stuff to give away to people.
No
So,
way.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas.
yeah, Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Thanks again, guys.
Yeah, you're
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Oh my
Christmas.
god, it's her legendary.
What are you working on?
I'm looking at a couple of houses.
Are you somebody who has a lot of tools that you're taking on and off the job sites?
No, we have tools already, and you always have to upgrade. You always have to
Yeah.
repair and stuff like that, right?
Or do you see anything in here that you think would be useful for you? Here, let me do the full spiel. So I have this laser level, which I absolutely love. I have one of these myself. I use it for framing all the time. It's great.
What do you do? You're framing?
So, as it turns out, the trick to giving away free tools is to have the tools out and on display. As I was explaining some of these tools, a couple of other people wandered over and wondered what was going on.
What do you hold this for?
This is great for clearing snow and leaves off job sites.
This actually would be very useful for me right now.
Yeah,
What else do you have? Radio?
I got a radio here, a little Bluetooth radio,
Tool, right?
cordless oscillating multi-tool, and then I also have reciprocating saw.
Oh, that's good too.
Yeah.
Wow. So we're going to be on YouTube, eh?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I want to see myself.
My channel is called Zach Builds.
Zach
Called
Build?
Zach Build?
Yeah.
I'm
So what are you
George,
doing?
by the way.
Nice
Zach.
to meet you,
Are
George.
you Zach?
Nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
so Zach, yes.
Multi-tool is good.
All the tool it is, but
Yeah.
make sure it's not a piece of brick in
No, trust me. It's all good, it's all there. Hey,
I'm going to take the saws off. Oh, this was awesome. Honest to
yeah,
God,
my pleasure.
See you guys.
You
Say
guys.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
I hope
Christmas,
you
happy
enjoy yourself.
holidays.
Bye.
Yes, you
Bye.
will, for sure.
Bye, Zach. See you.
Can I interest you in some of the stuff? I don't have too much left to give away right now, but what do you do?
I do renovation.
Renovation,
Yeah,
UGC?
like part of everything, yeah.
Okay, do you have a lot of tools that you carry around to job
I
sites?
could use a toolbox, yeah.
Yeah, this one's a
Because I
nice
have
one.
all
Here,
this
let
stuff.
me show you this one. Ugh. So this is another one of the tools that I want for myself. That's okay. This one's to give away. So this one's really cool. You like basically split it up, and you got 3 toolboxes in one. So you got the big one down low. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so you get a little tray in there. It's big enough you can put a circular saw in it. What are you working on right now?
Right now there's a garage.
Doing a garage?
There was a leak and we got
I see. So plaster repair, that type of thing?
drywall
Plaster
plaster
repair,
yeah.
maybe replace a little bit of insulation. So you get a little bit of some screw storage, all that stuff.
Hey.
What do you think? Would this be useful for you?
Perfect, yeah.
Okay, all right, let's do it.
Perfect.
There you go, sir. That's yours.
Thank you.
Yeah,
All
enjoy.
right, thanks so much. Yeah.
Oh, you already got a bunch of Dewalt stuff too. Perfect.
Yeah.
All right,
Thank you
enjoy
guys
man.
again.
Yeah. Merry Christmas, happy holidays.
Merry Christmas to you.
See ya.
All right, take care.
I think we just got rid of like half our stuff in one run there. That was good. I was starting to get a little worried. It was like, oh, we're gonna have to come out another day and do this again. But once you start giving it to one person, everybody stopped, and oh man, that was fun. I got a little bit of a rush going on right now. So I was trying to find the perfect person to give the laser level to, and I think we just found it. This guy's wearing a Dewalt hat, and he's got a ton of wood he's loading into his truck. So let's see if we can interest him in this. Excuse me, sir, can I bother you for a moment? No? Are you sure? Yeah. So basically he told me to F off. And look, things don't always go the way you planned. I tried to give him some free tools, he wasn't interested, so we'll just wait for the next person. At this point, the sun was starting to set, and we were a little bit worried that we might have to take some of these tools home with us. Luckily, we bumped into Hiram. So I'm kind of at the end of my run now. I see you got some pressure treated wood there. Could I interest you in either a Dewalt leaf blower? Okay. Pretty good for clearing snow off your truck. And then I also have a little job site radio that I'm looking to give away.
Okay, well, what do I gotta do?
Just tell me about what you're building today, and that's it.
Okay, well, I have to say I'm a Dewalt fan.
Yeah.
90% of my tools are
So
Dewalt.
you got the batteries and everything already?
I have batteries. I still gotta buy some other things.
So what are you working on? What's this stuff for?
Well, this is for my final pieces for the wood retaining wall that I'm doing.
Oh yeah, okay. Is this client work or is this for yourself?
No, this is a client. Zach, right?
Yeah, Zach.
Hiram.
Come here, come. This the blower's great because it comes with a 60-volt battery.
Wow.
Yeah. So the radio's like your standard Bluetooth. It runs on the 20-volt or the 12-volt battery. And then, but this is their big This is their high-end blower.
I think I might have to take a blower.
Yeah,
dude. The battery.
If you already got the tools, then the 60 volt battery runs all day. All right, man. There you go. All right.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Zach.
Dude, enjoy.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, get your hands
Christmas
full.
came early for me.
Yes, everything.
Thanks, cameraman.
All right, dude. All right, we got one thing left to give away, and it's the radio. So I think that should be pretty easy, right? I spent all day here giving away free tools. This is the last thing I have on the truck. It's just a Dewalt cordless job site radio. It's literally the last thing I have on the truck. No strings attached. If you would enjoy it, if you would use it, then it's yours. Okay. Bluetooth, it runs on Dewalt 20 volt batteries. I don't know what type of power tools you use, but.
I have Dewalt.
Okay, this is a charger and a radio combined into one.
Oh, charger, okay.
Yeah,
cool.
yeah. If you want, it's yours.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Okay, there you go. Merry Christmas.
Thanks.
Enjoy.
Yeah, you too. Thank you very much.
Yeah, see you later.
Yeah,
have
thanks.
a great day.
Yeah.
All right, that's it. So, like I said earlier in the video, if there was anything left over at the end of the day, then I would give it to one of you lucky viewers. So, this 20 volt DeWalt laser level is left. All you have to do is comment down below with your Instagram handle, and then I will pick one lucky winner on, let's say, December the 28th, and I will send this out to you. Again, I'm gonna do this worldwide. Literally anybody who's watching can enter. And yeah, this is a pretty great laser level. I've been using one of these for the last month or so. It runs on 20 volt batteries. It does the whole 360. It's super bright. It's a green laser. It's a fantastic tool. And I think this thing retails for over $500. But yeah, outside of that, today was a fantastic day. I had a lot of fun just giving away free stuff. Who doesn't enjoy getting some free stuff, giving stuff away? It all feels good. So thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. I hope you have a great holiday season. All right, everybody, I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey guys, I just wanted to add a quick little addendum to the end of this video. I was reviewing the footage at the end of the day, and I just realized that I completely forgot to thank Dewalt for putting up all the tools for that video. So real quick, huge thank you to Dewalt for making that possible. There are not many companies out there that will be willing to partner with me on a project like that, so it was really cool to see. All right, that's it for me. I hope you guys have a really happy holiday season. I hope you have a great new year, and I hope 2023 is even better than 2022 was for you. And one last thing, if you get an opportunity to do something nice for somebody else, try and do it. Even if it's awkward because you're a deep introvert like me and you're afraid of interacting with strangers, get out there and do it. It's a lot of fun, and it's rewarding, to say the least. All right, guys, see you later, for real.